Hello everyone, greetings to all. Today we are discussing the Medical Officer General Wing 2016 exam. So let's discuss the General Studies portion of this exam. Question number 81. In which district of Himachal Pradesh are the rock inscription of Patyar and Kanihara? So these rock inscription in district Kangra. Option A is correct. This is Patyar rock inscription of Kangra. These rock inscriptions are written in Brahmi and Khroshti script. The Khroshti scripts are written in right to left in this order like this. Question number 82. According to Farishta, which king of Kannauj overran the Shivalik hills? So the king is Ramdeo Rathore. Option C is correct. Question number 83. In which century was Chamba princely state founded? So Chamba princely state founded in 6th century, which is in 550 AD by Raja Maru Barman. And Chamba town is founded in 10th century, which is in 920 AD by Raja Sahil Varman. There is a difference between Chamba state and Chamba town. Option A is correct. 6th century. Question number 84. To which deity is Bajnath temple of Kangra district dedicated? So Bajnath temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Option B is right. Question number 85. Which mountain pass joins Kangra and Bada Bhangal? So Tamsar pass joins the Kangra and Bada Bhangal. The origin of river Ravi is from Bada Bhangal. Question number 86. In which district of Himachal Pradesh is Sarvalsar Lake? Sarvalsar Lake is situated in Kullu district. Question number 87. In which district of Himachal Pradesh is Kukti Sanctuary? Kukti Sanctuary is located in Chamba district. So here is Kukti Sanctuary, and some other wildlife sanctuary of Chamba district is Tunda Sanctuary, Sechutuanala Sanctuary, Gamghul Siyabehi Sanctuary, Kalatop Sanctuary. Question number 88. Which of the following hydropower project is in state sector? So Sishu Hydel project is in state sector, which is situated in Lahaul Spiti district on the Chenab river basin. Question number 89. Who was the instrumental in converting Samuel Ivan Stokes to Hinduism? So it's done by Pandit Padam Dev, and Pandit Padam Dev is also known as Kaviraj. He belongs to Shimla district. So thank you very much.